Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to Staji Online. Hope you are good of health and doing well. In today's video we'll talk about a photography competition which is going to be held in UK, and it is specifically for the citizens of UK, in which they will describe and illustrate their stories of life and some other aspects of life with the world. Let's talk a little bit about this competition. In this, the title of this competition is Stories of Hope, a photography project that aims to share a glimpse into our journey, identity and aspirations for our life in UK. If you are passionate for this type of a contest, then the photos should be accompanied by a text or a piece of poetry of up to 250 words, which means for every captured picture which you will submit for this contest, you will write a 250 words description of this video. It can be a story or it can be a poetry which will be associated with that particular photograph. The story will be delving into the meaning behind the photo, how it reflects your personal journey as an European Union citizen in the UK so far, and your aspiration for the future. Stories of Hope provides platform for European Union citizens living in the UK to express ourselves creatively and share our unique narratives through photography and storytelling. We aim to foster understanding, empathy and solidarity with our diverse community. So there is something important which you should know if you are going to participate in this contest. Those who will be the winner of this contest will be invited for a trip to Brussels on 22nd of May. To a European Union citizen, event will be event with the organizations from the UK and European Union work to project our rights. Will cover your travel expense and accommodation during this contest and for your trip to Brussels. There is something some information for the participants. On 6th of March, invite everyone to take part in a webinar where we will explore challenges and opportunities for European Union artists in the UK. On 21st March, all entries will be exhibited during the European Union delegations networking event at Europe House in London. On 9th of May, we will gather in London for a celebration event where we will share the photography exhibition and announce the winner of the open call. In November and December, Stories of Hope will be showcased during Common Ground International Conference and European Union Citizen Gathering. Apart from that, you can enter the open call even if you are not able to attend these events. Your work will be acknowledged and shared with the audience. How you can enter in this competition: submit your story by completing the entry by 30th of March. That is 30th of March is the deadline to submit your stories for this contest. What you have to submit is include 3 photos of the objects from your life symbolizing your journey, your identity, your aspirations. These are the themes: your journey, your identity and your aspirations. Each photo should be accompanied by a piece of text or poetry no longer than 250 words explaining the story and symbolism of the photo and its concern and its connection to your journey, your identity and aspiration. You can submit your story by just clicking over here. When you will click over here, a new window will be in front of you and it will look like this. You will fill in your full name, your email address, your phone number, how did you hear about this Stories of Hope, your nationality, your age, where do you live, and then your entries. You will choose your first photo and you will write your description related to that particular photo over here. Then choose second photo and which will be accompanied by obviously the description of that video. Then third, please paste your text / poem number 3 in this box and you will choose the photo over here. After doing all this, you will just submit over here and that will be all. If you have any queries and questions about this contest, our comment section is open to you. You will put your questions over here. If you have not subscribed to our channel Ustadji Online, just click on the right side and subscribe to our channel. We will keep on sharing new videos about the opportunities available around the globe for your betterment, and we'll get back to you with some new opportunity. Till that time, just take good care of your health. Allah Hafiz.